To improve the speed of Xfinity Wi-Fi on a PS4, consider using the 5G band if your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Connecting to the 5 GHz band enables faster speeds and less interference, resulting in a better gaming experience. Reducing the distance between the PS4 and Xfinity router also helps, as the 5 GHz band works best over shorter ranges, which improves Wi-Fi speed and reduces data loss. Additionally, limiting the number of connections on the Xfinity Wi-Fi is crucial, as multiple devices and streaming services can reduce bandwidth, making it difficult to achieve a faster gaming experience. Removing unnecessary connections can help prioritize bandwidth usage for the PS4. Furthermore, upgrading to a high-speed internet plan can significantly enhance the PS4 Wi-Fi connection, eliminating lag and ensuring a smoother gaming experience. By implementing these methods, users can enjoy faster and more reliable Xfinity Wi-Fi on their PS4.